guys, I'm Frank. Today I'm going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a Rubik cube and the price of the product will be 449 rupees. And also it is in combo package of Rubik cube. In the packages you can see 2x2 triangle and a mirror cube. It comes with product weight of 230 gram and the material will be plastic. It is suitable for age limit of minimum 3 and above. Okay guys, let's see some of the highlight of the product. First of all, the cube will be easy turning and smooth play. Use this as a gift item for someone, and also the build quality will be really nice. The product will be suitable for beginners and professionals. If you're looking for a Rubik cube in a combo packages, also in a budget segment, this will be a nice option for you guys. Just pick this product. Compared to price, the build quality will be really nice. So it is a value for money product. In the box you can see one 2x2 triangle and a mirror cube. Okay guys, thanks for watching.